Hello, in this tutorial, I'll be speaking about the sum and average as one of the functions we have in Excel. So the sum, we are computing the total of the given marks. Like we are finding the total for math, science, and computer. So we just want to add all the scores. Then our answer will be here and others. So how do you do that one? So in Excel, we have the function known as sum. So I start with the equal sign and then write the sum. And then now we have to say the range that we have. So our range is from B2, that is the first score on the math, and then up to D2, where that is the last score that you have for computer. So after that, then your work is just now to press on enter key, then your answers will be there. And then the next one, for the average, we do the same. We start with the equal sign, and then we write the word average. And then also we write our range, that is from B2 up to D2 again. So after that, you close your bracket, and then the next step, you just press on enter key, your answers will be there. Thank you so much. This is how we use the sum and the average function as one of the basic functions in Excel. Thank you so much.